welcome back to Slime with me and Amanda. Today we have a special guest, my brother
Anthony. Yeah. And my brother.
Anyways, so we're using the Nickelodeon slime kit
That I got for my birthday.
Yeah. So we'll come back with all of the stuff in there. Alright, so this kit comes with a spoon, 2, 3.
That's good.
What is it called? Popsicle sticks. Containers in
Very
here.
tiny containers.
Yes, very
Yes, very tiny.
Next it has some white glue.
Oh yes. We would need that, but we need more.
Slime activator.
Yes, slime activator. You don't have slime without some activator. Because if it
A bowl.
yeah, bowls.
2 bowls.
Well, we're gonna need 3 more. Two more. I'll take
And
the other
glue. Pink and green.
That's it.
Yep.
And well, it's enough to make slime. So we'll be right back.
Jesus. What? Jesus. I don't know what just happened.
Like the thing just shut off.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys didn't know, we filmed like a lot, and then it just literally just went off, and now we don't even have it. We worked so hard on that film. Okay, guys.
Well, look at me. I'm making her slime.
I'm
making slime.
You're making enough slime.
Yeah.
And I made this.
Well, we didn't make it. We mixed all our small slimes together because they were really small.
Maybe recommend buying this if you don't overactivate it and you mix it all together. It would be a nice slime.
If you like overactive slimes, then I would
that's
recommend
gonna be
buying
a
this.
gift to me.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Sorry if I'm bragging. It's my birthday. Well, it's not my birthday. It's my party. My birthday was April 12th. It was on Easter this year, 2020.
Yeah, it was like 2020 is annoying and I hate it.
Yeah.
Only sometimes you hate it. The good thing about coronavirus is you gotta sleep in late.
Yeah.
Coming back, they're begging Christine to come.
Okay, that's great. The girls, however, okay, guys. Shout out to Vivian Palazzo. Go subscribe to her. She has a YouTube channel. Whoa! Whoa! And yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna be able. Wait, let me try to do ASMR.
Okay, we need these slimes.
This slime overactivated too.
Okay.
Hey, wait,
can I feel?
Oh yeah, it's not done yet. Yeah, we mixed all the slimes together. The little slime. So yeah.
I would maybe recommend this.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't get it. I wouldn't. I rate it 1 out of 10.
Oh, 1 out of 10.
The only reason I like it is because it's never gonna be sticky. This slime.
Never. It would never be sticky. But one time I made like a super unactivated slime, and then 2 days later, it's like glue. It's not glue. It's not even slime. If you like touch glue, then you know it's good. And I'm like, what? So yeah. Okay, my friend Vivian is coming over. Again. Again.
She's like just over.
Like they were just over and now they're begging their mom. I don't know why though. They were like perfectly fine. They were like fine when they left. They're like, bye Andy, but maybe they had some chili.
What? I kind of wanted to just play.
Yeah, let's do Q&A.
Nobody. We don't have questions. Nobody wants to know anything. We only have 2 subscribers.
And that's people we know. Like my mom and her mom.
Oh, now we know who the 6th subscriber was. We didn't know who the 2nd one was. No, the 2nd one is Anna.
Who's Anna?
Wait, then we should have 3.
Wait, I don't know.
Please subscribe if you're watching me. Yeah, because we're trying to get...
We're new and we're trying to get 100 likes and to 100 subscribers. If you saw in our pollution video, we said subs. I'm like, why did you say subs?
Comment down below if you understand what subs mean.
It's subscribers. If you mean like subs,
Amy,
like
can I
submarines.
click that now?
We're not trying to get 100 submarines.
Because,
Actually, I'm kidding.
Cool. it red. This is
You want to make it more
Cool.
about pink? Let's make it hotter.
Yeah, it's
Hotter.
Hotter. Pink. Don't tell them. Maybe little kids are
Oh.
Oh my. We can do that in the bowl. And guys, I'm just up with JoJo Siwa. I have JoJo Siwa clothes, but I didn't feel like running upstairs when we were wearing them. So, shout out to JoJo Siwa.
And if JoJo Siwa, I don't think you're ever gonna watch this, but if you do come across this,
Subscribe, because I'm a fan of you. Hi, my name is Amanda Nugent.
You met her.
I met you at the concert in Connecticut. So if you remember me, hi, I'm a good girl. And
if you're watching this, JoJo Siwa.
yes, I don't think you would ever.
But if it came up out of nowhere.
Maybe came up like our recent, and she's like, oh, I remember this girl from the concert. So yeah.
I put lots of glue.
Look at my hands.
Oh,
And look at the slime.
I made you.
Okay, this is a
Don't
giant
ever buy
fail.
this. Don't buy
ever
that.
buy this.
Unless one person is using this. This looks like a brain.
No, but if you don't add much activator, if you buy this.
We didn't even buy that. We didn't even use that much activator, right, Mia? Our hands are so dirty.
My hands are clean.
Like, look.
These.
My hands are like the Hulk. You're not.
When they were watching Marvel's Endgame before.
Avengers
not the-
Endgame.
Dennis.
We're not gonna give any spoiler, Mia.
You look like the Grinch. Show them.
Look at my
Show
slime.
them. What is it?
I just added a lot of the food dye, and now it's like ripping apart a lot.
Yeah, look at mine.
Wait, it actually gets stretchier.
It's not. I'm just pulling it softly.
No, wait, can I see?
Is the volume okay?
Yeah. If you guys hear background,
Okay.
Amanda's friend's coming.
Wait, Nini, are they coming?
What?
Are they coming?
Like their mom couldn't take it anymore. Like, fine, just go. Actually, I'm gonna keep this on. I'm keeping this on.
You could keep this one too.
So,
Sure, I guess.
that's it, guys. And hopefully this video posts. 'Cause I've been having trouble.
Look at my hands.
And
look at my hands.
Alright, bye, guys.
Peace.